In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a storyboard in Tableau. Whether you're new to Tableau or looking to enhance your data visualization skills, creating a storyboard is a powerful way to present your data narrative compellingly. Let's dive in and see how it's done. First, you'll need to launch the Tableau application. Make sure you have it installed and then open it up. Once you're inside the app, you want to access your worksheet. This means you'll open the specific Tableau workbook that contains the data visualizations you want to use in your storyboard. Remember, the quality of your storyboard heavily relies on the visualizations and data you intend to present, so choose your worksheets wisely. Once you have your worksheet ready, the next step is to click on the story icon within the Tableau interface. This icon is crucial as it represents your gateway to beginning your storyboard creation. After selecting this, you have the option to name your storyboard. Don't skip this step. Having a clear name helps you and anyone else viewing it to immediately understand the focus of your story. With your storyboard initiated, you can start adding sheets or dashboards. Tableau allows you to incorporate these directly into your story, making it interactive and detailed. Simply select a sheet or dashboard and double-click on it to include it in your storyboard. This action adds your selected sheet to your story, giving you a visual component to build upon. Now, at the top of your storyboard, Tableau allows you to add a caption. Use this space to provide context or highlight key insights related to the visualizations you're including. Captions can make your story immediately accessible and informative. To enhance your storyboard and keep viewers engaged, you can add new story points. This is done by clicking blank on the top left corner of your storyboard. Think of each story point as a slide in a presentation, where you can offer additional insights or angles on your data. After creating a new blank story point, select and double-click on a new sheet or dashboard to add it to your story point. Remember to add a caption for each new point to maintain a cohesive narrative. Beyond captions, adding text within your storyboard can further clarify your data story. Whether it's an explanation or a specific data point you want to highlight, this feature allows for added depth in your storytelling. As part of the customization options, you can change the size of your storyboard, tailor it to suit your audience or the platform where you'll present it. If desired, you can also adjust how the story elements are displayed. Access the layout settings to modify your storyboard's visual elements, choosing from numbers, dots, or arrows to guide your audience through the narrative. And there you have it, a complete storyboard that visually tells your data's story, enhances understanding, and engages your audience. Experiment with Tableau's features to find what works best for your narrative. Enjoy creating.